What's up, guys? It's me, Jimmy Geek. Yes, it's me, Jimmy Geek. So here are the Nintendo Switch which I bought. Yes, Nintendo Switch which I bought. So here's everything with the games and accessory which I bought. I'm really very much excited, to be honest with you, to show you what I bought. Switch it up because Nintendo Switch is one of the best handheld and gaming console of all time. Your Nintendo Switch hardcore fanboy is here. So okay, the first thing I bought was a messenger bag for 40 bucks, as you can see. Okay, a messenger bag. And then I bought a $11 leather case. It also have inside the putting the game cartridge case also, I mean, which is really very cool. I mean, for only 11 bucks, I mean. And then I bought like Hori 12 in 1 plus 2 game cartridge. Isn't that awesome? And then I bought another 124 one game cartridge. I bought the official for 20 bucks, the Legend of the Zelda earbuds. Okay, and I bought the Huri hard case. Here you can see the Huri hard case. I mean, isn't this awesome? To be honest with you, I'm really very much excited for it. So I bought the ladder travel case. Wow, I mean, look at it. And I bought a aftermarket extra plug which I'm going to carry with my messenger bag. Okay, and then I bought a official Switch Pro controller. I mean, look at it. And then I bought a dual Joy-Con. I mean, grip to play some of the game in the local co-op. And then I bought the wired JYS controller. I mean, sometimes the battery is down, you want a game. This is the perfect option. For only like 20 bucks I pay for this one. And I bought a compact stand for the Nintendo Switch. And then now let me show the games. I bought 9 games. One game is missing. It's not shipped to me. It will ship on Friday. It's called, I mean, Poe. Yeah. So the number 1 game is the Dragon Ball Xenoverse 2. If you need a GTA on the Nintendo Switch, you can't go wrong with the Lego City Undercover. Payday 2, I'm going to play single player offline. It's an amazing game. If you are a fan of the movie called The Dawn, then this game is a must. I'm a big fan of the movie called Dawn. I mean, Ben Affleck. Legend of the Zelda Breath of Wild. LA Noir open world Mafia 3 style game with the criminal investigation. I mean, Crash Trilogy. This Super Mario Odyssey, this one is in Chinese, but if you don't know, a lot of Japanese or Chinese games are playable in English, I mean, or their menu and audio is in English. This one, Donkey Kong, Japanese version, but this one is playable in English also. And my favorite open world game, Farming Simulator. So total 10 games I bought today. Only I have 9 games, I mean, you can see. And then now for finally, the best of the best is the Nintendo Switch. I bought the Hong Kong version. I mean, look at it, look at it. I bought the red and blue one. I'm really very much excited, to be honest with you. I'm really very much excited. So yeah, it was me, Jimmy a Geek. So make sure to check out the links in the description box below. Switch it up! Bye! All of the links of these things are in the description box below. Bye!